We have a 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. It's the 1.25. It's 65,000 miles. It's in Panther Black Metallic, and this one is a Category S from the insurance company. So, it was a bit grubby, so I've given it a quick wipe down, but in short, it's nice and tidy around all the sides, all the way to the back. There's a little scuff there, but that will definitely polish out. You can't get any nails in it. The top is good, and it's squashed around this side, but I should be able to get in and take a video of it. So all nice and clean down that side there. It doesn't have any reg plates on, simply because it had a private plate. It'll go back to, I think, a 62 reg. And if you can see it, it is nice and straight down that side. Yeah, you can. So the bump is round the back. Let's get the rest of the good bits first. So it's got alloy wheels, it's got air conditioning, it's got a radio with CD, MP3, it's got a phone kit, USB, steering wheel controls, and a few extra bits as well. So around the back, it doesn't actually look that bad, but it's just pushed the back in slightly. That is the rest of the back end. I'm just going to say back side there. So no damage there. And in fact, it hasn't done too much damage to this tailgate, but they're so cheap, and it's smashed the screen, and a screen will cost the same as a new tailgate. So we've got another one in Panther Black, and it's cracked this here as well. And what it's actually done is push this section in here, hence the category. However, the good bit is, apart from it's got a tidy in there as well, it's not damaged the inside of the boot well at all. It is nice. So all that's going to happen is that this section there is going to be pulled out slightly. It'll have a new bumper bar because it's bound to have been squashed behind there. It will have a second hand, and we've already bought it, tailgate in the same colour, Panther Black, and the same with the rear bumper. So this car in fact will have no paintwork done whatsoever. It'll be washed, those peaks bolted on, that section there just literally pulled out slightly, a new bumper bar behind it, and it'll be back on the road. This one normally should retail around 4 grand, and it'll be around £3,000 with 65,000 miles, 2012, with an easy peasy fix like that. In fact, bolt-on jobs are always the best. There's no intrusive sort of like work to do. Pulled out, back on the road. So guessing 3 grand will be a nice price for this car.